All right, my friend, welcome back. SimpleFreedom.com for all of the training sessions. SimpleFreedom.com, the training blog. For the email marketing training, you want to get on the email newsletter, SimpleFreedomNewsletter.com. All right, really quick, it is so cool when you get Lead Lightning, $7 one time in your life, no monthly fees, no pass-ups, $6 commissions on every $7 sale. It's a complete marketing system with my training, with a lot of training included, to show you how to build your email list, right? So it's a buyer's list builder. It's an email list builder. You can monetize $6 on every $7 sale. You get lead capture page, presentation page, back office, training, calls, webinars, hangouts, everything you need to learn, like your little Internet Marketing University. You get that for $7, never a monthly fee. You connect that so it builds Easy One-Up. This is the tight budget program. Easy One-Up at the $25 level. There's no monthly fees. There's 100% commission, and the product package there teaches internet marketing skill sets. It is a great way to start a business on the internet from home for $32 one time, never a monthly fee, and build from there. You're making about 100% commissions. It's super quick to link these two together. Lead Lightning, getting started training, Lead Lightning, and your primary program, in this case being Easy One-Up, setting up to get leads for your primary program. So let's log in here and see what happens. So when you log into your Lead Lightning back office, this is what it's going to look like. Here's the next level though. When your buyers log in to their Lead Lightning account, this is what it's going to look like, and it's going to be your information that is presented to them front and center right here as on their dashboard as they log in. Notice that's going to be, it's going to say congratulations to them, welcome to Lead Lightning, and it's going to say your sponsor's contact info, and that's going to be your name, your email, your phone number. Build the relationship, invite them to training. That's all you have to do. And then right beneath your name, it says click here to see your sponsor's recommended income stream. Okay, when you connect this to your primary program, Easy One-Up, even at the $25 level, it's 100% commission, guys, no monthly fee, super no-brainer. When they click here, look at what's going to happen. It's going to click and send them over.
If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for a way to generate some extra cash flow from the comfort of your own home. Welcome to EasyOneUp.com, where people from all over the world from every socioeconomic background can learn to leverage the power of the internet using a simple system that does all of the selling, telling, and explaining for you. With a simple text message blast, email, voice broadcast, or postcard to a list of people that are interested in making money from home, you can very easily be on your way to commissions of $25, $100, $250, $500, or even $1,000 or more in a single.
Cool. See that? So that's how they get there. The other way that they're going to get to your Easy One-Up primary program presentation, notice that was a presentation, not another capture page, because you don't need another capture page, because this has already got them in through your capture page in your email list, and they're getting an email a day. Okay, so this is the simple way to do it, and that's where they see it. The other place they're going to see your Easy One-Up link is in every single follow-up email. It's always going to have a call to action, an invitation for them to A, click to watch the Lead Lightning video and join. That's a $7 offer. And B, click here to see your sponsor's recommended income stream, and that's going to take them, every single follow-up email is going to take them also to your Easy One-Up affiliate page where they see that video presentation over there. That's 100% commission. That's no monthly fees, and it starts at just $25. You can easily scale up. Remember, is this the top thing that I recommend? Maybe, maybe not. This is the top thing that I recommend for people who tell me that they're on a super tight budget. My friend, this starts your internet business off at $32 one-time overhead, no monthly fee. So I'm just trying to take away those reasons that people have for not getting started. Start making money. Here's all you have to do to link it up. All you need is the link, your affiliate link for Easy One-Up, which you can go by going to your Easy One-Up login. On the dashboard, you're going to see a link like this for your main presentation page, not the lead capture page. You do not need this for this strategy. You need the affiliate page for the sales presentation. And it's this one, easy1up.com, EN, it has the word products in there, and then your username at the very end where it says question mark, ID equals, that's your username, whatever your username is. You'll see it in the dashboard. Once you see that link, copy that link, okay? Copy that link. That's your Easy 1UP affiliate link. And then you come back to your Lead Lightning dashboard, and you simply click on this gigantic silver button that says, how do I get started? Click on that. Watch the Getting Started in 3 Simple Steps orientation training videos right here. But here's how to hook it up. Look, just go down where it says funnel number 1, Lead Lightning. All you have to do is click here where it says referral link B. Under referral link B, that's going to be your link, which is a link that leads to the Lead Lightning funnel that also builds your primary business. To set up your primary business, all you have to do is here where it says before using referral link B, please enter your outside website below. This is where you want your presentation link to Easy 1UP. Notice I already have it in here. Okay, you just go in there, you right click, you paste, you put your link in there, and make sure you take out that extra HTTP. Okay, make sure you take that out. You don't need that. Okay, so because it says that out here. So all you need is where it says easy1up.com/en/use/products/?ID equals Simple Freedom is my username. Your username is going to be whatever it is. It's going to be in there. Once you have that, click on update. Okay, it brings you back here, but now you could see that it put your Easy 1UP affiliate link in the box, and you can test your link here. Go ahead and click to test it. Make sure it sends it over.
If you're watching this video, chances are
to the right Easy 1UP presentation page. That's it, my friend. And now we can click on Show Me the Link on referral link B. Check this out. So there's the box. You can make sure that that's your Easy 1UP link in there. But down here, it says, look, here is the link to use to promote Lead Lightning and your primary business. And it's right here. For my case, in this training account, my link would be mytopfunnel.com/567534. You're done. As a true, absolute newbie, a true beginner that you don't even know yet how to go to GoDaddy.com, buy a cool little link like BigEasyCash.com or whatever, and forward that link to point to this affiliate link. Even if you do not know that, who cares? Because the first couple of things I'm going to show you, you don't even need a pretty link because you're just going to get direct automated traffic sent to that funnel. So now this is the only thing you need. You can share this link in postcards, in emails, and you can go and get traffic from our traffic source and direct it right here. With no monthly fees, the only thing you have left to focus on is promotion, marketing, and advertising. Get leads to that link. Get humans to that link. Get traffic to that link. That's it. Promote that link. That's it. You're done, right? Because when people go here, if you click on it, it's going to open up your capture page. That is your lead capture page. When they opt in, they're going to come in here, put their email in a box. They're going to make sure that they fill this little form out so they're not robotic, fake bot traffic, right? Real humans. They submit there, and it already knows that I'm in the system, so your new leads aren't going to get this. But then it's going to land them right on your presentation for Easy 1UP. Right there. Right there. You're done. Okay? This is a $7 offer. It's going to sell for you. It's a great offer, man. Go through that thing. Great page, great copywriting, great bullet points, great headline, testimonials, build a buyer list, no monthly fees, boost sales and enrollments, easy to use. With Lead Lightning, you can quickly and easily generate daily commissions, have success even as a beginner, get free traffic training, plug into our Hangouts and webinars and videos. There you go, training all day long. Build a targeted list of buyers, boost sales for your business, and a whole lot more. All for just $7 one time for life. And of course, you earn, as they get all of this value, you earn $6 commission, for every $7 buyer. And you saw in the follow-up emails and in the dashboard in the back office, you saw where it automatically sends people over to your primary program, your top recommended income, which is Easy One Up. Even at the $25 level, you're getting paid 100% commission. How many of those does it take to stack up and then upgrade from the Elevation $25 package? You can then make a few sales. Look at all of the training you get here as an affiliate marketing training, network marketing training, right? And then you stack up those $25 commissions, and then you upgrade to the $100 level. Now you're earning $100 commissions per sale, 100% commission. Stack up a few of those, 2 or 3, and boom, you can be earning $250 commission. Same thing, stack up 2 of those and then upgrade to 500. Stack up 2 of those and upgrade to 1,000. That's how you scale your business up. And the only marketing you'll ever have to do is just getting people to your lead capture page right here, right? Which you do by promoting this link. So I just wanted to show you how to connect your lead lightning to your Easy One Up, and for $32 total, no monthly fee, have an internet business that I can help you learn how to build and close some sales. And when I first got started with internet marketing, the very first commission on the internet, that I'd been in network marketing before, but I wanted to learn how to make money on the internet. And the very first affiliate offer that I sold and got paid was, I believe it was a $39 affiliate offer of a training product to show people how to sponsor people into their program. That was the education training package, right? It was a book that they shot out to me, and it was an affiliate program. So somebody went to my affiliate link, they went through the presentation, they paid $39 and they got this product, and I got a $20 commission. That's how I got started. It led to everything. Once I knew that I could make that one sale, I knew that I could make thousands of sales and build an army on the internet and teach free enterprise. And this is what we're doing. This is so much easier because now on a $32 offer, you're making $31 commission, and it includes lead lightning and Easy One Up, no monthly fee, 100% commission pretty much, and way better funnels and way better education and training. That's how you hook up your lead lightning, guys. Basically, just click here on how do I get started, watch that video, but really just come down here and put your Easy One Up link in this box, click update, and click show me the link to use for referral link B. It's down here at the bottom. That's your link. That's what you promote. Okay? So anyway, that's it for this training. That's lead lightning, getting started training, lead lightning, connecting it to your primary program, in this case, Easy One Up, setting up to get leads for your Easy One Up 100% commission, no monthly fee program. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now, guys.